Welcome to the playlist course Python Data Types for Data Handling. This playlist course will teach you some concepts and teach you to use some Python data types with the perspective of data handling. You will learn deep and useful knowledge about Python data types, for example, integers, floats, and strings, all with the perspective of data handling. My name is Henrik Johansson, and I will be your narrator for this playlist. I have 20 years of instructing experience, and I've taught students from most backgrounds, from high school students to doctors. In this playlist course, I will teach you some concepts, and you will learn how to use some Python data types. All right, let's talk about Python data types. Python data types is an abstract concept framework which is used to classify Python object types. The most common Python data types within data handling are integers, floats, and strings. Various definitions of Python data types may include Python data storage abstractions, they may include logic, abstract sequences, and even objects made to convert one object type to another object type, or uncommon non-Python data objects. In this playlist, we will teach you to use Python integers, Python floats, and Python strings. You will learn deep and useful knowledge about Python integers, floats, and strings, all with the perspective of data handling. We will skip the complex data type because it has very little practical explicit use in data handling applications. Complexes require a bit more mathematics and abstract thinking, plus that the complexes use generally is limited to certain special applications. While we consider Python data storage abstractions such as sets, tuples, dictionaries, and lists to be Python data types, we have placed them in a separate playlist because they require special treatment within data handling. This video is the introduction video to this playlist course, and we want to say that this playlist course is designed for everyone who wants to learn to use data types such as Python integers, Python floats, and Python strings. We aim at going a bit deeper than most other video courses, and this playlist course is therefore suitable for both beginner Python users and people who want to learn tools that will enhance their coding, data science, data analysis, data handling, or machine learning capabilities. We look forward to have you continue to watch this playlist course.